First, you are going to make sure to unplug it.
Now I'm going to take this out.
Now we're just going to pull this straight out. Now we are just going to take off that one, etc. Okay, so I just got all the screws undone and we can take it off. That's what the inside looks like. Okay, so I'm going to open the parts that we need. We got new fuses for the dryer. That's what it looks like right now. Yeah. We are going to match it up with the old ones and make sure that everything works. We're going to use the socket wrench to undo this one. Oh, I got the wrong size. Hold on. There, I got the right size. So first we're going to take out, I'm going to unhook the two wires. This one goes on the top. That one goes on the bottom. After taking the fuse off, we're going to loosen it and take off the bolt. After I got the bolt out, I'm going to pull it up and take it out. I got the new one and I'm just going to put it right back in. Now I am just screwing the screw back in. Now I'm going to put the bottom one on and now the top. Okay, I just plugged it in. Now we're gonna see if it works. Come on. Woo! We got it. Now I'm gonna turn it on, let it run for a minute, put a little cloth or rag in it and see if the rag gets warm. The rag is in and I'm just gonna wait a minute and see what happens. Yep, it's warm, so it worked. Now I'm just cleaning out this thing with a brush and getting all the stuff out. Okay, so we're just gonna push this straight in. I just put the back on and then this. Now I'm gonna put it back on.